Blackpink in your area.
Hold up.
Hey everyone, it's Divine. I'm back again with another video, and today's video will be a makeup of Lisa ng Blackpink. So this is Lisa of Blackpink. Hindi ko sinasabi guys na kapag ginawa natin itong makeup na to is magiging kamukha natin siya. Hindi ko sinasabi na kamukha ko na siya. Ginaya ko lang yung makeup niya. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano ko ginawa yung makeup na to, please keep on watching!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to click the subscription box down below. Thank you so much.